Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use the keyframe animation feature in CapCut. This powerful editing tool allows you to create dynamic animations by setting keyframes and adjusting the position, scaling, rotation, and the opacity as well. So let's dive into it and get started. I'm going to open up the CapCut. First, you need to open up the video that you want to edit in CapCut. I'll use the plus icon here and then select the video that you want to edit. I'll choose this video and tap on Add. And once you have your video here, now let's make some more keyframes as well in this video. You can add the keyframe just by tapping on the video and select the position by sliding this. Now if you want to add the keyframe to this position, just use this. I'm going to tap on it. You can see there's a keyframe added to this position. I'm going to go just like here. And then again, I'm going to add some keyframe here. But for this time, I'm going to make some zoom in effect. Again, add some keyframe and add some keyframe here and then zoom out. Now let's play the video. You can see there is zoom in effect and zoom out effect. Just with these three keyframes, I have made some animation that is zoom in and zoom out. You can make multiple animations by this. For example, if you want to make a rotation to this one, just go back to this keyframe. And from here to this point, let's add another keyframe and make some rotation. Whatever you do, it will convert this into an animation. I'm going to play the video. There you have it. Also, if you want to make some adjustment to this one, you can also add another keyframe and then go to adjust and here select the brightness all the way to 0. And then go from here at this point and then add a keyframe. Go to adjust and reset the brightness. You see the brightness from 0 all the way to the normal in just with this keyframe. After you have added and edited your keyframes, you can preview your video just by going to this play button. We have made all of these animations just from the keyframes. Once you're happy with your video, you can export it by tapping on the export button at the top of the screen. And once it is exported, you can share it directly from the CapCut to any other social media platforms, for example, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok as well. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful in creating more dynamic and creative videos. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.